Hey,
Hi.
we are making a phone addiction video. Why are you in the phone?
Oh, yeah. We are making a phone addiction video.
Yeah.
How many of you are watching this video with phone held in your right hands and thumb is scrolling the YouTube videos? This is the flip side of India's digital literacy. Phones are there in our hands, but we have become addicted to it. In this video, let's explore how we should break the phone addiction video, and let's see how the habits itself are formed. Welcome to this video. Beat phone addiction in 4 simple steps. 1. Break the habit loop. As a wise person once said, you are but a product of what you think and what you do. And what you do is inextricably linked with your habits, and habits is what makes a person. This is how your habits are ingrained. Cue, craving, response, and reward. Cue is just like a sign. Craving, it's what you crave for. It's what you need. Response, it's your action. Craving leads to your response. And the reward, what you get after you do your response, after the action, your brain releases certain chemicals called dopamine. That's what gives you reward. Example of your phone addiction, cue. Let's say your phone buzzes with a text message, notification, bam. You want to learn the contents of the message, be it WhatsApp, be it Facebook, be it Instagram. You want to know what's there in the message. You want to know right and there itself. And what's your response? You grab your phone and read the text. You read it, you text it, and the replies goes on, and you fall in the continuous loop. And what's the reward? You have read the message, you grabbing your phone is the reward, and your phone buzzing is itself a reward. So let's see how the habits are formed. Let's say you are studying very studiously and you come across a serious subject condition where you are unable to grasp it. Then you grab your phone, you spend time watching Instagram shorts, YouTube shorts. You spend time 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Then realization kicks in. You have wasted 2-3 hours. You have wasted 4 hours. Then guilty pleasure comes in. Your guilty comes in. And then you need to go to do some actions where you have to respond to that guilty. Then you will fall in that vicious loop. That's how your habits are formed. Let's see in the last part of the video how you are going to make your phone your slave, not you becoming your phone's slave. These are the 4 laws. First law, cue. Make your phone invisible. Disable the notifications. Keep your phone far away from your workplace. Your workplace should be very much separated into your study place. Your study place should be very much separated into where you sleep, where you eat. Don't mix them. Craving. Make the phone unattractive. You can make your phone very much unattractive by using night shifts. Night shift just produces a blue color light or yellow color light which makes your eyes make the phone very much unattractive. And the inversion of third law, the response. Make your phone very much difficult to use. You might want to use your phone's password very much long that you can't even remember, that you have to note your password down in a notebook, and then when you are using your phone, you are looking at your notebook, entering the password, then using your phone. It becomes very much difficult to use your phone in this way. And the last law, reward. Make it very much unsatisfying. Like if you have put a very much long password, then your brain thinks, do I really need this? Do I really need to go to my notebook, enter my password and see what's there in the text? That's how, my friends, you will break bad loops, you will break bad habits, and then you will make good habits. So we at Vishnu IAS Academy, we are bringing new shorts, new informative videos where you can spend your phone in very much productive way. You can spend your time learning new things, not wasting your time in very much unproductive way. Let's see what all the new concepts you're gonna enjoy. Please comment below what you have learned from this video.